I know my credit's sitting at a strong 480 right now, but don't worry.
How do you want to pay for it?
Finance.
How much do you make in disability?
$29.69 a month, plus I get the kids.
All right, it's Friday, and for a lot of people, it's time to celebrate by spending money they don't have on things they don't need to forget about a week they couldn't afford. Welcome to the channel. I'm Mike, and here we talk about money, cars, avoiding debt, and keeping more of your paycheck. If that sounds good, hit that like and subscribe button and drop a comment.
He's a 444 Sport. He's in the market for a Hellcat. He does not have a co-signer. How much were you asking for that car? 70 if he's got 10 G's down. Cash. Yes. He's been at his job for about 2 months. First time buyer. Hey, I'm one of the managers here at Folsom Neck Dodge. I know you were interested in the pre-owned certified Hellcat that we have.
Similar, yep.
I'm looking at your credit. Are we open for something different?
I know my credit's sitting at a strong 480 right now, but don't worry, man. I'm busy.
You're their first time buyer. You haven't had any type of credit whatsoever. You had a couple of credit cards that unfortunately you were late on, so it caused your credit to drop down a little bit. If you're going to be looking at a car that's going to be at $72,000 with taxes and fees, you're probably going to be closer above the range of 79 to 80 outdoor.
Forget the credit score. A new job and only been there about 2 months. Anything can happen at that point. I wouldn't be going into Hellcat debt for a job that may not work out. 2 months really isn't long enough to even know if the employer is going to keep you. Not only that, but nobody needs a Hellcat. Now, I'd love to have one, but it doesn't make sense to spend that kind of money on performance you will hardly ever use.
No, you put in 10,000, so you're gonna be somewhere in the range of 69 to 70. It's a big loan. Even people with good credits, they definitely have the challenge of getting it like that.
So let me ask you, so what's the longest finance y'all got? 10 years, 12?
We have them available. That's not the issue, brother. The issue is just trying to get you a loan from the bank. The biggest loan that I'm probably able to get you is gonna be somewhere 30 to 35. I have a lot of vehicles available for you in that range.
I get it, man. I'm trying to burn rubber.
If you want to burn rubber, I got something super fast, luxurious, or something that's gonna make you cringe.
Yeah, I need something back to complete.
I'm not gonna share these vehicles with you yet because I want to surprise you with them when you come in. I'm gonna have my guy go pick you up. I have about 3 or 4 of these cars, got plenty of features. Do you have car insurance by any chance?
I got health insurance.
Okay. No problem, just come on in, I'll take care of you.
Nothing says financial responsibility like paying interest for over a decade just to burn rubber. Imagine your car loan lasting more than most marriages, just to do burnouts. He's got a 480 credit score, missing credit card payments, and wants to go $70,000 in debt, just to drive fast. This guy's not going to make it.
What are you looking to buy?
I was looking at the ZL1 y'all had.
Yeah, the ZL1, yeah. Have you seen pictures of the car?
No, I talked to a lady and she said that there would be pictures, a detailed walkthrough video, and a phone call coming from y'all that I obviously missed.
Okay, that's fine. I have the car. It's like new. It's a blue wrapped ZL1.
You guys sold a red one and I was honestly a little sad it got sold.
It was a nice car. But listen, I got this one. It's just as nice, to be honest with you.
It looks great. It's got the cats in it.
It's got 4,000 miles. It's got the cats in. How do you want to pay for it?
Finance.
And do you have anything right now that you drive?
Yeah.
Are you trading it or keeping it?
Keeping.
What is it?
2010 Ford Fusion SE.
It's in your name?
Yes, sir.
How many miles are on it?
100 and some thousand.
Have you ever had a payment on a car before?
No, paid full.
And how much money would you be putting down on the ZL1?
Would scuffing $7,000 be nice, or would it need to be more?
It's gonna be more. I didn't even price that car yet. Let me price it right now.
Okay.
How much do you make a year?
Roughly 53. It's about to turn to 60 in about a month, but as of right now, about 63.
As far as monthly payment, what do you have in mind?
I would like to try and not get above 8.
It's going above 8. It's
Yeah.
going into like the 1200s, the 1300s.
Realistically, I can do that. That wouldn't be a problem. It's just, I'm thinking of like something comes up or some, emergencies.
Yeah, you're going to need more money down, and it's going to be a little tough getting you approved.
What about if I jump it to 20?
20 grand down, you might have a shot. I'm going to let Rami give you a call back, all right?
All right, thank you so much.
His previous car was paid in full, and he wants to jump into the world of debt for a fast car. The description of this video said he was a teenager, so probably 18 or 19. I financed a vehicle when I was just a little bit older than him, and it was one of the worst decisions I've ever made. Everyone is different, but I was not responsible enough to understand what I was getting into at the time.
We've got some credit challenge. We're going to try and get them a loan. They did just have a fresh repossession, which is going to make it difficult. They're telling my salesperson that they wanted a diesel truck, which is probably not the right option. Let's see what happens. We'll go from there. He said you absolutely have to have a diesel. I was just seeing if there was any flexibility on that, if you consider a gas motor.
It depends on the mileage.
Okay. Because what we're going to be up against is, obviously with a fresh repossession, the bank's probably not going to want to put you into a $40,000 truck. Unfortunately, that's just what the diesels vehicles cost. They're pretty pricey. So I wanted to see if you guys had some flexibility on that. Does it have to be a 3/4 ton?
I don't think he could do a half ton.
What are we towing?
He's got a trailer. It's super heavy.
Okay. And then looking at your application here, you're retired currently?
Disabled.
Okay. How much do you make in disability?
$29.69 a month. Plus I get the kid.
$2,900 a month for disability? It seems like a really generous amount. Where I am, they don't even give people enough to rent an apartment. I believe it's around $1,200. It's actually quite disturbing when you think about it. So she's on disability, and at the end she said, plus I get the kids. I think we all know where this is headed.
Which right now it's $480 each. So it'd be $960. It's about to go up to $1,022 each.
Okay. His is disability as well?
Okay, yeah.
And then how much is that?
$1,794.
Okay. What payment are you guys trying to stick around?
Less than $1,000.
And then that loan that just was repossessed, they're going to ask me what happened there.
The job that I had was shut down. I was there for 14 years and they closed it down.
Oh my goodness. Let me get to work on this. I got all the info I need. We're going to get this sent over to the bank and we'll see what we can do for you. If we can get it all approved and buttoned up on a truck that meets your guys' needs and your wants, when would y'all want to come down?
We'll have to see what the schedule is. We can work it out somehow.
Okay. We'll stay in contact and I'll let you know.
Now, I assume she's referring to child support payments. You hear about this all the time. Guys are paying ridiculous amounts in child support, and the money goes to finance your ex's lifestyle, or her new man's truck in this case. I don't have kids, so I don't know how much they cost, but $1,000 seems like overkill. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong.
We have a gentleman from Oregon that reached out to us for Ford Explorer, 550 credit score. He's got $1,500 down, so I'm going to work with the lenders to see if we can get him the best approval possible. One of our lenders decided to get you approved for the Ford Explorer with the $1,500 down.
Okay, nice. The Ford Explorer that we were talking about, there's something wrong with the CPU?
It's actually just finished in service today. They went over the full car and everything checked out.
That's great. I appreciate you going above and beyond and trying to make this work for me.
That's what we do, man. Monthly payment's going to be $512.
Okay, is there another vehicle can we do that's not that much money a month? My car right now, I'm paying $680, but I'm not trying to spend another $500-$600 on a car.
I totally understand. What was a comfortable monthly payment for you?
Like $350.
I may be able to get that Mitsubishi Outlander Sport to work for around that $350, $375 mark. Would that work for you?
What about the Volkswagen?
Volkswagen Tiguan?
550 credit score, so he's not managing his bills properly. He's shopping for a vehicle, and it doesn't even seem to matter what it is. That's a very interesting way to go about it. For myself, I'd figure out exactly what car I want, then find one that makes sense for my price range. His type of thinking goes very well with his 550 credit score.
That one's still probably going to put you in like the low 400s, high 300s for the Mitsubishi Outlander Sport.
Trying to stay 350 and below.
If I can get you 350 on the Outlander Sport, would that work?
That sounds good.
I'm going to pass you back to Juve. He's going to send you the information on the Outlander Sport. We'll send him the car, keep him on the phone. I was actually able to get you to $359 on the Ford Explorer.
$359?
A great deal.
That's a good deal. What's the APR on that?
12%.
Ooh, that's high.
That's high.
Isn't it?
No, dude. For your credit, that's what people with 700 credit scores pay right now.
My car I'm paying for right now is at 4.
Your rate should be 25%. So we got you basically half what your rate should be.
I'll do it.
The $1,500, do you want to do a credit, debit, or Zelle?
Whatever.
I'm going to get this all worked up and sent over to you, brother.
All right, thank you, man.
12% APR is high, and I wouldn't do it. If you see an interest rate that high when buying a car, it means the lender sees you as a risk and you probably can't afford it. Focus on paying your bills on time and buy a car you can afford with money you saved. I'm going to end the video here and ask you to hit that like and subscribe button. Drop a comment below. I'll see you in the next one.